Good morning, student. Today my third class of 8 metal and non-metals. I am discussing the chemical properties of metals. Today I am performing some experiments. Metals on reaction with oxygen. Metal on reaction with oxygen. Metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide. Metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. Na plus O2, Na2O, Mg, magnesium ribbon bonds with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Let us perform the activities. Magnesium ribbon. Do you know magnesium ribbon? This is your magnesium ribbon. This is your magnesium ribbon. So, first you take magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon, you take a strip of magnesium ribbon. This is magnesium ribbon. You take a strip of magnesium ribbon. This is magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon is rubbed with sandpaper before burning. Why magnesium ribbon is rubbed with sandpaper before burning? Because a layer of magnesium carbonate is deposited on the surface of magnesium, which prevents it burns with dazzling white light. So it is rubbed with sandpaper. So this is your sandpaper. We have to rub it by sandpaper. This is your sandpaper. I am rubbing it. To remove to remove the magnesium carbonate on surface of magnesium. The surface is shining. Okay. To remove the magnesium carbonate on surface of magnesium. Now I am burning the magnesium ribbon on the flame. What happens? Magnesium ribbon burns with dazzling white light. Magnesium ribbon burns with dazzling white light. This is the white light. Okay. The burning of magnesium ribbon takes place. The magnesium oxide is formed. The white ash magnesium oxide is formed. Okay. This white ash is your magnesium oxide. This is your magnesium oxide. It is white ash magnesium oxide. Now this magnesium oxide dissolve in water to form magnesium hydroxide. This white ash is taken in test tube. Taken in test tube. Now add some amount of water in it. Shake it, dissolving the magnesium. Now testing the magnesium hydroxide. Do you know magnesium hydroxide is a base which turns red litmus paper into blue? Now I am performing the test. इसको मैं डाल के देख रहा हूँ. तो ये रेड लिटमस पेपर. So this turns into blue color. Yes. This is blue color. Yes, this is blue color. Okay. So magnesium ribbon turns into blue. Turns into blue. So magnesium oxide is basic. So metal oxides are basic in nature. Magnesium oxide reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is a base. Magnesium hydroxide is also called milk of magnesia. Magnesium hydroxide react with red litmus paper. Red litmus paper. We put red litmus paper in it. It turns into blue. So metal oxides are basic in nature. Now performing the, do you know sodium metal? Sodium metal is a very reactive metals. Sodium metal is generally kept in kerosene oil. Do you know sodium metal? Just this is sealed. Sodium, do you know sodium metal is kept in kerosene oil. Sodium is a very soft metal. It is cut with a knife. We take pinch of sodium. This is sodium metal. It is taken on filter paper. This is sodium metal. This is your sodium metal. Sodium metal. It is sodium metal is very soft metal. It is first of all, it is filter papers absorbed by kerosene oil by filter paper. Now it is cut with a knife. A pinch of sodium metal is taken. Okay, a pinch of sodium metal is taken. Okay, this is sodium metal. Now put in the rest in the bottle. Okay, this is the sodium metal. A pinch of sodium metal we have taken, and it is put into water. Sodium is the highly reactive metals. It's put into water, it floats on the waters. Just see, it is sparking on the waters and it catches fire. Okay, sodium metals is highly reactive metal. It catches fire when it reacts with water. That is why sodium or potassium metal is kept in kerosene oil, because sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. This reaction is highly exothermic reaction. So hydrogen gas is evolved, it catches fire, it burns with hydrogen atoms, so it catches fire. Do you see the experiment? Okay, thank you. Do the next. I come to the next point. I am giving observe the two experiment and come to the next. Now, coming to the second chemical properties. Metal reacts with acid. Metal reacts with acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. Metal plus acid. Metal plus acid. Metal plus acid to give salt plus hydrogen. Yes. Just for example, Zn plus H2SO4, zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid to give zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Magnesium Mg plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2. Aluminum Al plus HCl gives AlCl3, aluminum chloride, and hydrogen gas is evolved. Now balance this equation. 2Al, 2AlCl3, 2Al is balance and chlorine is 6, here is chlorine is 1, so 6 HCl, so chlorine is also balanced. Now 6 hydrogen, here is 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen is balanced. This is the balance equation, okay. Na plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2. Okay. Metals like iron, aluminium. Iron on reaction with HCl, Fe plus HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2. Metals like copper do not react with sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, and gold, silver, platinum metals also do not react with acid. Okay. Now for performing the experiments, first you take the test tube. Take the test tube and we take zinc metals in it. Zinc metals. Zinc. This is your zinc granules. This is your zinc granules. Okay. This is your zinc granules. Now we take zinc metals granules in a test tube. Okay. And now we add few drops of sulfuric acid. We add few drops of sulfuric acid in it. Let us see. Let us see. The bubbles of hydrogen gas evolved. This is the bubbles formation takes place. Okay, now giving more amount of this. This is the bubbles formation takes place. Okay, just see. These bubbles of hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay. Now burning matchstick is taken on the mouth of the test tube. It gives pop sound. Okay. Now burning matchstick is taken on the mouth of the test tube. On the mouth of the test tube. Now the pressure of hydrogen gas move upward and ये थंब को ऊपर की ओर कर रहा है, प्रेशराइज कर रहा है. नाउ सी this is pop sound. Okay, this is the test of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, when burning matchstick is taken on the mouth of test tube, it gives pop sound. This pop sound indicates the presence of hydrogen gas. Okay, this is the experiment number 3. Now comes to the next point. Now third is metal reacts with water. reacts with water. Metal react with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Highly reactive metals react with water to form hydrogen gas. Metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Metal plus water gives metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. Okay. Just for example, Na plus H2O gives NaOH, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Now balance this equation. Twice NaOH. Okay. Twice K, potassium reacts with water to give potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay. Metals like iron and aluminum is less reactive than aluminum and magnesium and potassium. They react with steam to form hydrogen gas. Like this aluminum. Aluminum do not react with cold and hot water. It react with steam. Okay. Al plus H2O gives Al2O3, aluminum oxide plus hydrogen gas evolved. Okay. Now balance this equation. Okay. Similarly, iron twice Al2O3 plus hydrogen twice Al, and oxygen is 3, and 6 hydrogen 3H2. Okay, oxygen is 3. This is the balance. Okay. Now steam is passed over heated iron. Iron oxide is formed, Fe3O4, and hydrogen gas is evolved. Fe plus H2O as steam to form Fe3O4 plus H2 hydrogen gas is evolved. Now balancing the chemical equation, iron is 3 here, iron is reactant side is 1, so 3 coefficient, and iron is balance, oxygen is 4, air is oxygen is 1, 4 is multiplied, then hydrogen is 8, hydrogen is 2, again 4 is balance. This is the balanced chemical equation. Okay. Metals like gold, silver, platinum and copper do not react with water because they are less reactive metals. Okay. Today this is my experiment, also performing the experiment. Okay, thank you.